Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Atelier channel where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. In case you forgot, your writing matters. And I'm not talking about writing the next great, successful novel that gets adapted into a movie and everybody loves it. I'm talking about all of your writing. The short things, the sweet things, the sad, the silly, all of it matters. And it doesn't even have to be published to matter. I was over at my parents' house this weekend and I got this binder here that has memories from my grandmother, from the Great Depression, memories of her mom, photos, stories, and poems. These aren't things that she published. These aren't things that she wrote to find fans and fame and book reviews. I'm so sorry, there's someone mowing a lawn outside right now, so I hope you can still hear me. These are things she wrote for her and for her family. And by gosh, do they matter. So never forget the impact that your words can have. Whether it's something that will make you smile, your family smile, or touch the lives of people you've never met before. Keep writing and never forget how powerful your words can be. Subscribe to Writer's Atelier for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all the links below, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone! I'm filming a video for the internet. Why are you so loud?